Yes, good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you're watching from. We are live. We are back once again. Once again. And the trade more or less playing out. It pulled back here. As you can see, I exited the trade there, but it is what it is, man. I don't know, for some reason this week I've just like been very laid back with a lot of that shit doing too. So I've been a bit laid back. I'm not gonna lie. So I haven't been as sharp. I haven't been as sharp. Maybe from next week. Maybe from next week. Um, not too sure. Maybe from next week, hopefully. Next week is Monday's Easter. Hmm. Maybe next week. Maybe from next week. I have some stuff I'm trying to get done, so just been a bit preoccupied with that. Yeah, but with a potential move right here, the reason why I closed when it came back here is because I actually missed this entry. Yeah, 10 pips stop loss to continue pushing up. Yeah, I actually missed that. Would have been out right here though. But it is what it is. Um, yeah, we're more or less just chilling right now. We're chilling. For the most part, we're just chilling right now. Mm, mm, mm. If you hear some noise like disconnection, a disconnect song, like Windows song, yeah, that's my mouse. My mouse is giving, like, I don't know, just keep disconnecting, man. So, mm, 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 mm. Yeah, so what I'm looking at here is possibly a close below here, 30-minute close below here, and then yeah, more or less we could continue moving down here. Move it down a little bit, you know. Yeah, it might look crazy to take sales here, but if everything lines up, I'll take some sales. I'm not interested in trading the highs like that, unless it gives that provides that setup, you know. Yeah, hopefully we don't get some frames drop in here. Like yesterday, this shit was terrible yesterday. Connection was like, yeah, connection was terrible. I'm not sure how long I'll be live for as well today. There is there's some news later on. We have retail sales at 8:30 Eastern. Then we have Powell speaks at 1:30. So we have a little bit of action later on for New York. So I won't even be here for New York actually. So yeah, like I said, got a lot of shit doing recently, and I haven't really been as sharp as I want to when it comes to trading. Why is this problem happening again with the audio? It seems like it's being echoed. Why the hell is it happening again when this is low? Nothing changed. So what the hell? This makes no sense. This makes no sense. Nothing changed. Oh no, no, it's okay. Okay, guess that's it there. Seems better now. It went away. Okay, so we don't want a 50-minute closure here. We want a 30-minute closure here. So we're gonna wait for London Open. Get a possible sells coming down below these wicks here. You don't have to get much, you know. We ain't looking for much. We ain't looking for much. Got a big range there, so let's see what the 30-minute close is like. We'll be able to catch a nice trade. Yeah, we'll be able to catch a nice trade below these wicks. Yeah, it's 141 pip range here, so yeah, about 40 pips. I'm looking to catch a nice trade this morning, yo. I'm looking to catch a nice trade this morning, very nice one. So hopefully we get that opportunity. Um, oh, I know where I wanna put this. Um, Dun, 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 dun. Mm, mm, mm. Hey, yeah. So we're just waiting here, waiting for confirmation. We're just waiting for confirmation here to take some buys or some sellers. So if this candle closes bearish, Of course, we gotta wait, continue waiting here to take sell because we need it to close like good bearish, right? We need a proper closure here. So, more or less, we could take buys based on the 15 minute. Here we go. We could take buys based on the 15 minute. Right. Again, we want everything to take place. Close above, wick down, break the high. We get a wick fill here, maybe at least 50%, and we'll be done. Won't be the a big trade like what I'm looking for to this morning, but yeah, I didn't expect. I didn't think gold I keep pushing to higher highs last night. I saw it do it during Asian, caught piece of it, but I thought it was okay, like went up, like for example, he gave this pullback here, right? So last time I saw it, I was somewhere here, and we did all this, so I'm thinking, okay, maybe it might come back down, but continue pushing like what 200 points. Yeah, for the most part. Yeah, yeah, 200 points. Yeah. So that's it is what it is right now. It is what it is right now with these markets, man. It is what it is. Ooh, wow. Okay, so let's see if the 15 can close below there. Above, sorry. If it closes above, then it'd be awesome. Wick down, contact, but for now, that's the range. We don't really want to be. If I'm being honest, I don't really want to be nowhere in this. Even under this 5 minute is okay to take sales. Cause it's away from these wicks. That's why I say like we gotta break the wicks to get our entry. So this might actually be the better entry here. This might actually be the better entry here. Let's just show up so deep, man. Let's go. This might actually be the better entry here. At least for the sales. Close above here. Boop, 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 boop. We're in some buys. Oh, I was actually showing all that shit on trading view. Holy shit. Okay. So, yeah, so I was saying, the 5 minute is appropriate for sale. So I'll be here because on that is this below 3286 we have less wicks, right? Compared to the 15 minute here. This is why I was saying that buys sales would be best once we break these wicks here. We could get sales come down, all right? So keep that in mind. That's what I'm looking at least. All right. For buys, it's just right here, close above here, and we should be Gucci. Continue up. It's only like 35 pips, so may not get much from this move. Don't really expect gold to during London session to make all-time highs consistently. So we'll see what it does. was yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday, Monday. Yeah, more than enough to sort that out, actually. Yeah, actually more than enough. Let me take a load and make that to sort that out. I think so. Ooh. No, we want a wick down, right? We want a wick down here. Let's go over to 75. Ooh, see what happened there? We broke immediately. We went up immediately. We can't enter this trade of the candle closure because we got no stop loss. So this is why I'm not interested in taking buys, because I had a feeling that the market gonna be doing that shit today. So I mean that's what it does at all time highs, especially, right? So it's going to 5 minutes here. Let's mark this up here. Yeah, because we're not really interested in anything else here. I really don't expect the market to keep pushing like crazy, you know. I don't expect it to keep pushing like crazy. I don't expect it to keep pushing like crazy at all. So it keeps pushing, it keeps pushing. We just don't get an entry. Most likely, if it keeps pushing like that, we won't get an entry. So, right. So this is what we're looking at here. For the most part. For the most part, yeah. Let's go back to trading view and watch this. Yeah. It moved up immediately. Nothing we can do about it. Nothing we could do about it. There's TP. Yeah, seems like gonna be a no trade day here. What's this? Man, I got so much little shit to so many little things here and there to sort out. Yep, that's all she wrote. Yeah, I don't think we could get anything here. I don't think we'll be able to get anything here at all. Yeah, don't forget, guys. If you like the video, drop a like, subscribe. Maybe this can help out someone else, someone struggling trader. Never know. Um, also, also, you could also join the Discord. Link in the description. So if you join the Discord, like times when I'm not live, you know, you could always see, what I'm looking at, potential setups and things like that, you know. Um, so let's see here. You see whereby, let me just create this. So you see this, right? So this is right. So this is my Discord, right? So you see the analysis here. I post the analysis all the time, right? And then we have the win section, you know. Mostly, yeah, we just post most active traders and don't have much active ones here, but we're growing, we're growing. We have losses here, the losses, lessons, things like that, you know. Yeah, that's it. You have a little chill zone here, right? General tab, based on the, yeah, that's it there. Just basically the analysis, So if you join the Discord is free. You join the Discord, then we'll be able to you'll be able to get um free analysis of. I try to post each session for what I see for each session. But once I'm available, I do post. I do post this stuff, right? So as you can see, yesterday I didn't even post nothing for yesterday. Last post was on the 14th, right? Yeah, I've been really busy, man. But once I'm live, I don't post anything. So I only post mostly for um, New York and Asian session. All right. So yeah. All right. Yeah. 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 So that was the Discord. Wait, were you able to see my face there? Oh, you weren't. Ha. Yeah, Discord was above it. Yeah, I don't see what really happening here. Um, could take a trade to break out the high, but we ain't really got nowhere else to go. I'm looking at 300, 300 here, but It's still a stretch. It's not much. It's not much as well. Normally, you would wait for price to pull back here, but don't don't think it's gonna happen. Oh, it came like gonna make a steeper wick, huh? Wow. Okay. So we're closing back above a resistance here. Uh, so we wait for a 30-minute closure. I think a 30-minute closure would be good. This tree might be a short one, huh? We're more or less just chilling. Just chilling here now because I ain't see nothing that looks, I ain't see nothing that looks too good here. So we're gonna run a little game still in the meantime. Yeah, pretty soon I'll be getting trying to get some lights. Trying to get the how you call it? The LED, the LED lights, streaming lights. So yeah, it'll be like it's gonna be so much brighter here. Um, the mic, well, I think the mic could wait. The light's more important right now. I'm just using the light from the room. I think the light more important. Get a proper light. Um, what's the next thing? Let me just check it here. Right, so I wanted to get um the light as well as the mic. I want to get the mic, the podcast mic. I was thinking of getting it now. So by next I'm gonna get it like end of next month actually. It's gonna be here by end of next month, yeah. See that? This is trouble already. Alright, 25 pips. Yeah, we want to see a pullback. We need a pullback of some sort, create support to continue to push up. So let's just wait. We're just chilling. We are just chilling on this game here. I don't have no idea what I'm gonna build. No idea what I would like to build. Hmm. Cypher Nitro. Could try Cypher Nitro. Could give that a try. Let's try Cypher Nitro, huh? Let's try Cypher Nitro. Never know. I'll try Cypher Nitro. Mm, Cypher Nitro. Mm. Oh, I forgot. That's what I have. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Sure, I could get for way cheaper. much am I getting here? Getting through with that, right? Hmm. Yeah, I don't really like the idea of. I don't think I like the idea of USB power for this. I don't think I like the idea of that at all. Hmm. A wall charger would be best when it comes to any device for charging. Hmm. Okay. Think we're going something else here totally. Think we're going something else here totally. Not sure who to give it, but let's see. He had more CC than everybody else, so it did make sense. Ooh, wow, still lost. Okay, so we got another 30-minute closure here. Possibly. Um, I'm gonna add this. Just found a better light, actually. Um, Okay, we'll see if we could pull this off. Oh, Santa yesterday as well. That's nice. This is a rather interesting bill, huh? This is rather interesting. Okay. Right, so we're getting a closure here. Let's move to. Oh, wow. Look at that drop. Holy shit. That drop instantly. We instantly move down here. Let's see if we get a break of the high to continue up. Yeah, break of the high would be appropriate here. A break of the high would be very appropriate here. Yeah, stop's not looking too bad as well. 26 pips, not bad. Mm, mm. It seems like we don't want to continue up right now. Seems that way. Right, not interested in going up right now. Oh, just as I said it, huh? Just as I said it. Okay, we need to pay attention to that there now. Okay. 34 pips. Where's our target here? Do I take this on the flip or do I take it on the break? This is interesting here because our target is 3305. Immediate target is 3300. So at 17 pips roughly away, 20 pips away, we have to move stops to break even at that point. So we continue to wait here. Hmm. Mm. Ooh, there is a disconnect. There is a disconnect. Oh. Okay, there we go. It seems like, alright, come on, stop doing that. Seems like we're gonna get our setup here potentially. I think we put the buy stop here. So we already flip. Um, so let's see what we get here now. Hmm. If it continues, mouse, relax. Jeez, man. If it continues breaking its own low here, I will remove the that pending order. Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry about that annoying shit. Oh, there we go. All right. So as we're breaking it here, I'm going to remove the pending order. Makes no sense there. Alright, remove. Alright. And for the most part, we're just chilling now. Again. Again, we're just chilling. This is something else, huh? This is harder than I thought. Yeah, it's gonna stop soon. No worry about it. It's gonna stop soon. I need gas for you. Hmm. Need gas for you. Also need to sort you out. Hmm. This one is difficult. This one is difficult. I do need this. There we go. There we go. Alright. Should do way better in this goddamn game now. Man, wow. Still freaking lost. Okay, so we're getting a very nice closure here. Hopefully, we could move up a bit more here. Hopefully, we can move up a bit more here. Now, if this closes very weak, bearish, then it break out the high, we could continue. Now, our stops would be under the current, well, the next candle. That's where our stop would be. All right. The candle that break the high, that's where our stop would be. So let's see. Sorry about the noise. This shit. Actually, I could disable Windows. Let me just disable this freaking shit. It's so goddamn annoying. Um, mix system songs. Right, muted. So you shouldn't hear anything here. Yeah, even if I disconnect. Where is it disconnected? Okay, this was a strong bearish closure here. So no, we won't take not none the breakout behind. But what we're gonna do is to wait. Maybe we get a pullback and then the next 30-minute close bullish. But we need a bearish 30-minute closure here, if I'm being honest. We need a bearish closure here. Otherwise, we got nothing. I think we need a bearish closure on the 30. It's been going up like this is what 6-7 candle now. Yeah, we need some type of like if it closes like this, like wick bearish, so the candle come up a little bit more and close there. The 15 would form a support, right? So right here like this. Then on the breakout of the high, we could take an entry, right? That would be the play here because we need some type of pullback based on the 30, man. Like even if it breaks it here, like there's nothing we can do about it. Like this is a terrible. Nah, I'm not gonna take this. Sorry, not gonna take it. Could break and go up 1,000 points. I could give a shit less. Yeah, not what I want to see. So, let's see. Um, yeah. So we got nothing for now. Maybe I play one more game. Be right back. Oh, we're flying here, huh? Yeah, let it do its thing, man. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. Okay, so oh, that's where I forgot to post that shit. look at that rejection there. So pulling back, we would be more or less stops would have been right here, not stop but entry. So 33 stop, 25. Would have been out like about maybe 16 pips. Our stops a break even. But I ain't like it, so don't like it, I don't take it. It's that simple. Yeah, so I'll more or less be out here if I had it at break even. Because the target I was looking at um was 3305, but 3300 just seems a little too much, like going past it seems a little too much. So this would more or less close bullish, which would give us a very beautiful support here to trade underneath, possibly, right? But again, we're still closing bullish on the 30. We need a pullback. We need a pullback. And if we get a close beneath here, it would be appropriate, should be appropriate to continue down. Can't take buys here. We just rejected this level, and this is a big one. So I'm not gonna be taking sells buys there. We have a 55 pip range potentially below here. Below was this. This is almost, yeah, 32, 95, 94. 32, 94. We have nice sales come down into 32, 89, 88. So it would be nice if we get a wick, like some, you know, something to show that, we want to come back into the range here. Yeah, that's what I say again, if feel free to, should probably put it up here though. Feel free to join the um for Discord. Yeah, this could work. Boom. Yeah. Free Discord link down below. So you join the Discord, and yeah, during when I'm not trading and I'm available, Then I post some setups, possible setups I'm looking at and things like that, you know. Just a little community, you know. You could join, you could post your own stuff as well. Um, yeah, we have some voice channels, you know. Just just a good space for traders, people that wish to build and grow, you know. Oh, this is lovely. I'm loving this. Yeah, I'm loving this. I'm loving this pullback. I'm loving this pullback. This is a very nice pullback. I'm loving this. Actually, hmm. No, the idea here was that it forms support, but if it closed bearish here, it's not gonna form support. This is good. This is good. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, we closed above here again. Repeat like we get a week down. Let's see if we're gonna get it this time. Man, this shit is going so much. Okay, week down. Boop. Penny nada. There. Break out the high. We in. Right, this time around. Yeah, break out the highs. We are in here. Wait. Ah, shit. We did not break the high clean enough, you know. This wasn't a clean break of the high there. I don't like it. Was not. Oh, wow. Wait, what the hell? This is a huge wick on trading view here. Why is it so small over here? It's okay. This is a bit fucked up right now. I'm going to have to close this trade. Yeah, I'm going to have to close this. Let me just wait for a break here on trading view. Oh, this is weird. Let me just wait for a clean break here before I enter the trade. Let me wait for a clean break. I'll enter manually. I'll enter manually. Because this is not making any sense. I'll enter manually. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now we get a clean break. Now we could take our loss here. I'm okay taking that loss now. Very much so okay taking that loss now. Okay, so it's been 1 hour since the closure here, since the market open, sorry. Um, yeah, we got our entry here. Let's see if we can move up, what, 40 pips, 40 pips, OTP. Let's see. Let's see how we moved up. Actually, 15 pips. Wow, okay. 20 pips. Ooh, we're moving here. Okay, 30 pips. Alrighty then. Stops a break even. Um, 30. Okay, there's our 40 pips. Boop. We're done. And we're done. Just like that. Just like that. We are done. Right? That's it. That's all we're waiting for, man. That's all we were waiting for. There we go. There we go. That's all we were waiting for. No W in the chat. uh, yeah, that's it. Done. Look at this. Done. Easy. 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 Like it's not complicated at all, man. It's not complicated at all. Very, very clean move there. Very clean move. Very clean move there. I need to add this here. Yep, and that's all she wrote there. That's all she wrote there. That's all she wrote there. Yeah, nice little 40p banger. Very nice. Yeah, we got our banger. Nice little trade. Yeah, it can continue doing what it wants now. Can continue. That's not that problem. You see what I'm saying though? Like how we are close the first trade because we didn't break the highs. We didn't break the highs at all. That was also a 2.6 risk reward trade. We risk like about 16 pips to make 40 pips. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Shit. I'm tired as hell, man. Sunday still have me tired. Oh, it's busy Sunday. Yeah, so I think that's it. I think that's it. There's no like ENPS and stuff. ENPS just being ass, complete ass, man. Makes sense trading. It makes sense. Doesn't make sense trading anything but gold right now, and maybe the indices. That's all. Like that's all. Oh, there we go. Hour and 30 minutes. Maybe I should call it here. think I would call it here. Oh, it's good. We didn't get no drops today in the connection. That's very good. How long was that trade, by the way? Let's see here. Um, this trade was like 1 minute and 3 seconds. 1 minute, 3 seconds. Basically, on some of these prop firms, they consider this tick scalping. Yeah, they consider this tick scalping. I don't know, man. Like, if someone is manually or even putting setting pen in orders, like you can't say that person is using that type of strategy. If you're staying for 2 seconds or something like that, I mean, I get that, consistent 2 second, less than 5 second trades. I get that. But if you're trading with volume, there is no way that, and you're executing manually. You can't, I can't see you doing this tick scalping shit manually. It has to be done, it has to be done automated. It has to be automated for it to be considered tick scalping or cheating, whatever it is. Goddamn firm accused me of cheating. Refuse my freaking payout. So stupid, man. So stupid. These goddamn firms. But I'll just stick to the main ones. I'll just stick to the main ones. Stick to those I'm used to. Alpha Cap, um, Alpha Capital, Funding Pips. Stick to the main ones. I sort of wanna dabble in futures a little bit, just because of the firms. The firms are more legit to a degree, but yeah, Funding Pips and I can't trade FTMO. My country is banned for some reason. I don't know who caused that. I don't know what the hell happened, but my country is banned. Which there was not a ban. I don't know what happened. Some shit happened, and I'm sure something happened with someone that they put it on the list. But yeah, so I can't trade FTMO. The only other big one is 5%ers, and the people right now Odyssey or Odyssey Capital. But the thing about Odyssey Capital is that it's not as it's not that popular in regards to like payouts and stuff. I haven't seen denials or anything, but I also haven't seen much people, you know, trading with them. So I'm not sure what's the situation there. But giving it a try. I'm giving it a try. Give it a try. See what's up. Um, yeah, yeah, that's it there. Right now it's just a matter of trying to get max allocation with funding pips and ACG. That's my goal for this year. Shall I get max alloc funded accounts, max allocation. I think it's like what 300 for funding pips and ACG is 4, I think, or is it 3 as well? Oh, I don't know. But that would be enough for me for like those two. Yeah. And they don't have that rule with the tick scalping shit. They have it, but it's not per trade. It's average. So even if I take, if I take 10 trades at least, some of them would run a little longer than 2 minutes. So yeah. Yeah, well, um, until next time, right? See you guys tomorrow. Let's see what we got here for tomorrow. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, okay. So tomorrow we have what's this? Okay. So tomorrow we have unemployment for New York. So we'll be not looking too bad. Not looking too bad for tomorrow London session. Yeah. On Friday, I'm not sure if I'm going to be trading on Friday. It's Good Friday. I'm not sure if I'll be here. Um, yeah, it's a holiday as well. Hey, okay, so I'm not sure. I don't think I might. I mean, gold could move, but if I come here, it would be just to come and chill, you know. Would necessarily be to execute. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Friday, not sure as yet. But we'll see. Yeah. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow. You could follow me on social medias, IG. Join the free Discord. Keep in touch. Yeah. Um, until next time. Peace.